Can we log out of Fiverr? Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, we'll try to figure out if we can log out of our Fiverr account. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first step is open up your Fiverr. After you open up your Fiverr, you can head over to the More section on the bottom right corner. After you're on the More section, normally we will head over to the settings or at the bottom of the More section to find the Logout button. But it's not here, so we'll head over to the settings for now. After you're on the settings, there is no option called Logout, so head over to the Account option and you will not find the Logout button there as well. So head over to Privacy and it's the same for Privacy. Now you can head over to the General option where also there is no Logout option. So yeah, this means that you cannot actually log out of your Fiverr if you are logged in. So what you can actually do is you can just back up your Fiverr, and after you've backed it up, you can simply uninstall the Fiverr. Remove the app, delete it completely, and install it back again, where you will have to log in into your account again. And that's the only way you can actually log out of Fiverr, guys. Thanks for watching. That is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.